Time to mow the yard, but seems I got a problem. Yep, she's flat. Guess I'll have to get the tire off and see what the problem is. Just get her jacked up so we can get her off. Just got to take that cap off and then probably just a pin on there. So let's get that done. See if I can get that off of there. There we go. Wipe that off and see what we got. Yep, we got a C-clip on there, so we just gotta pry that out of there or push it out, and then we can get the wheel off. So, should be able to just pry that out of there. Like so. And then push it off. There we go. Little pocket screwdriver. Get it right off of there. Pretty simple. Take that washer off of there. That should be about it. Tire comes right off. That's all there is to it. Now let's inspect the tire and see what the problem is. Now a quick visual inspection. See if we got anything that is glaringly obvious as to why we have a leak. If nothing else, we will put air in it and figure out where the leak is. I just don't see anything, so let's air it out. And there the little booger is. Right there. It is a very slow leak. But let's go ahead and figure out where it's at and then go from there. Now, how did I miss that? Holy cow. I don't know if I'm able to salvage this tire. I'll pull it out. We'll see how deep it goes. I might have to get a new tire. Yeah, that's a pretty big hole. I don't know if I'm able to fix that, so I'm probably going to have to go get a new tire for this thing. Let's see what happens when we grab her and pull her out. Oh, check it out. There's a staple. A friggin' staple. Holy cow. Well, I've had this bottle of slime around, so this tire is not that important to me as far as roadworthiness. So we're going to go ahead and remove the stem, and then we just put this on here, and I have to open this somehow. Yep, there we go. Got that open. It goes through there. And we'll just put this on here and force the slime through the hole. And I'll put a bit in there and air it up and see if it works. Ain't gonna put a plug in it. See if the slime works. If the slime works, then we're good. If it don't, then we'll go ahead and put a patch on it to get a new tire. But let's go ahead and slide that on there. We'll slide a good amount of the slime in here. There we go. That should be enough. put, I don't know, about a third of a bottle in there. We'll put the valve stem back on and put some air in it and swish it around. See if that works. I got a good amount of air in here, so it's leaking, you can see. And it stopped immediately. And there's the slime right there trying to push out. Pretty cool, but it stopped the leak immediately. Imagine we'll let it set for a little bit and then we'll see what happens. I'll just let it set right here, and hopefully the tire is good to go. Let that set. Well, it's not something I generally do, but being it's a lawnmower tire, low pressure, you know, if it works, it works. If it don't, then I'll go ahead and put a plug in it. But hey, this is how I'm going to fix it this time and see how long it lasts. But I got to get out and mow the lawn. Toss this tire back on here. And then before we put the clip on, we're going to go ahead and give her some grease. There we go. Grease that up. Clean it up a little bit. Now that we got the grease coming out of here, we can go ahead, slide that on there. Now we can get that clip on there. There we go. Use this little pry bar to push on it, and it's locked in. Can't come off. Then we'll put the cap back on. Whatever I did with the cap. There it is. Slide that back over. I guess that washer is meant to sort of hold it on there. There we go. Fits on there perfect. Got it on there. Tire is all set. Spinning good. Ready to mow the lawn. There we go. One more little thing in life that bothered me. But hey, even the smallest things can disable a big lawnmower. So we want to make sure we get it on the road or on the lawn. And let's go ahead and start mowing. all done mowing the lawn pretty good, and the tire is still full of air. So yep, all good, all good. Thanks for watching. All right, getting some drainage done. Finally, maybe we'll get some water flow. New pipes and everything. Always love the equipment. Bobcat. Yeah, buddy. Just doing all that.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.